Zoom meetings are boring. You just sit there, listen to somebody talk, and then talk maybe once or twice yourself. How can you make them more interesting? Add flair and like cool things to make your webcam unique. And it turns out with OBS, you can do it. You can turn OBS into a webcam, which can allow you to add custom effects to your Zoom meeting. This would allow you, for example, to screen share without permission, add a camera border, anything you want, anything that you can do with OBS. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to add it and how to use it in your Zoom calls. Before we start, I live stream on Twitch every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3:30 Eastern Time. If you have any questions or you just want to hang out, then a link is in the description and I hope to see you there. So, the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the link in the description. This will bring you to a website on the official OBS website. And in the top right here, you're going to go to download. Next, all you got to do is just run the file and the installer will load. Press I accept, press next, yes, and then install and register plugin for however many cameras that you want. I personally only need one, so I'm going to do that. Press next. And then you press install. Now, considering the fact that I already have it installed, I don't need to install, but that's what you would do. So now you have the virtual cam set up, but what can you do with it? Well, virtual cam just takes whatever you have outputting in OBS and sends it to a camera. So I'm going to show you a few examples of what you can do in Zoom. So we're here in Zoom, and right now there's nothing special, like it's not our OBS or anything. So what I want to do is we want to go to the stop video button, press the little arrow, and then press OBS camera. And whatever you have in OBS will just display right here. You can also share your screen without having the permission to share your screen. Add a webcam to it, so you can share your screen and be visible to the person at the same time. There's so many things you can do with this, and it allows you to be really creative. And one of the best things is that people cannot block it. Once you have it enabled, there is no way that they can block it unless they turn off your video entirely. So this allows you to be really creative. Just make sure that you don't do anything bad and that you don't get banned from your meeting or something. Just add cool effects, add webcam borders. So anyways, that's gonna wrap it up for today. If you found this helpful or informative, leave a like. Again, my Twitch links are in the description, and make sure to comment what you want to see next. I've already heard the suggestion to make a beginner's tutorial on OBS and like alternatives to it. However, because I'm recording OBS with OBS, I can't really do that, and it's very hard like technically to record that. But if you have any other suggestions, then I'd be glad to hear them in the comment section below.